Hey, today I am doing a quick update on these Canada West Lace to Toe Moorby boots. I think I've done a few updates on these now over the last few years. They're one of my most worn and favorite pairs, so I want to make sure I keep these going as long as possible. They are due for a resole, so I think I might wait till the spring and take those to Dimar Shoe Repair in Guelph to get that done. But for now, these were looking really dry and scuffed up, so I don't need much for this. Just a brush to get a little bit of the dust and small debris off of there. They're not dirty by any means, so I don't need to do anything drastic with saddle soap or anything here. Just get the dust off. I'm going to use Canadian Beeseal. Really great product. It's a beeswax base, but it has a real nice lemon scent to it as well. Super easy to apply. So just gonna dust them off, apply some of this Canadian Beeseal. You can see it really restores the leather, adds that hydration to it, as well as gives it a nice shine, puts that waxy feel back into the leather, and also kind of deepens the dark brown hue of the boots, which they were originally. And then once that's all done, I just give them a once over again. I recommend, I have two different horsehair brushes, one that I use before and then one that I use after, just so I'm not brushing the boots once they're cleaned and conditioned with the horsehair brush that has all the little dirt granules in it from when I brushed them off to begin with. These are really great boots. I highly recommend Canada West boots. This is the Moorby line. Very comparable to Red Wing quality. The main difference though is they have a cushioned insole instead of the leather insole. I prefer a leather insole, but this has held up really well. They still feel super supportive, and they come in a whole lot cheaper than Red Wings too, and they're made in Canada. So if you're like me and you're in Canada, it's always nice to support Canadian made products. So worth checking out. I will link a whole bunch of videos that I've got to other Canada West boots, so you can check those out. So those are my Canada West Moorby boots before and after a condition, and just an update on how they're looking. Okay, thanks so much.